MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. It feels like it's been forever since I've just sat down and chatted with you guys. So much foolery and crap is going on. Well, y'all know what's going on. Like, not only that, but just personally, so many things are going on. So I figured I would go ahead and do a get unready with me chit chat. It's the end of the day. As you can see, she is greasy and shiny, and I'm ready to take this makeup off. I figured you guys could just come along. There's a few things that I've been using that are new that I want to share with you guys on top of that. So I figured this would be the perfect setting. I put my nightgown on. I know y'all didn't want to see all that. Head and just pull my hair back real quick so it is out of the way. So the first thing I usually do in the evening is just take off my lashes. So I'm just gonna be, now don't be ripping y'all's eyelashes off like this. I use glue that is not that strong. So if y'all be ripping eyelashes out and go bald headed, don't come back and blame me, because I'm telling you, do as I say, not as I do. There'll be a few products that I sort of talk about as we go, but anything that I don't talk about linked in the description box below. There's also an item that I've been using that is new that has a huge coupon code for it. Was fortunate enough to have this company send me something to test, so I will go ahead and incorporate that in this video because it's sort of, you know, it's skincare related. So of course use my erase your face. Now don't come for me because she's stained. I mean, she's clean, but she looks a little grungy. So I don't use those disposable makeup wipes. This is the only thing that I use to wipe my makeup off because it takes everything clear the hell off. Look, smooth off, one swipe. Eyeliner, literally just a few little swipes. And if you try to do this with a regular rag, you know that it's not going to come off. But look at that, just a few little wipes and that is gone. So I always just use these because it literally takes all the makeup off your face, and it's just got water on it. It doesn't have anything else on it, no chemicals. If you have like really sensitive skin, a lot of those makeup wipes are sort of just, I don't know, some of them are oily, some of them are just not great. Like I'm wiping hard, I'm not. That just grips. The material that it is like a microfiber. It grips the skin. And you can see that it has taken all of my makeup off. And just to prove how well it takes off my makeup, and just do a little toner. The toner that I always use, you guys, is the Say Yes to Tomatoes toner. I love this stuff. It's not super harsh. It does have salicylic acid in it, so be careful. But it's not as harsh as some of like the Clearasil and stuff I used to wear. Anyway, I'm just going to take a little bit on there, and you're going to see how well that removes my makeup with just water. So you can see there's not a lot on there. So yeah, I would just follow it up with the toner, but that's going out of order. So hold on a second. Let me stop. I'm getting ahead of myself. Oh God, a lot is going on. A lot has been going on. And of course, for everybody, it started in March. For me, it started in March. I lost my little sister to cancer in March. She was only 38, and she'd been sick for a long time, and she passed away on the 15th of March. And yeah, that just sort of started like this whole spiral of just hell. And then, you know, COVID hit and all that started going on with COVID. And then I lost my cat. He passed away in April. He had feline leukemia. I just lost an uncle. It's been a lot. There's been a lot going on. Having the, you know, the constant scare of catching COVID while working in the hospital, it felt like I haven't really sat down and chatted with you guys in a while. It's been a couple months. The thing I'm going to do before I start talking more, I feel like I can't talk and do this at the same time, which is bad because that's the video's purpose. Next is actually the product that I've been using that was sent to me. There is a huge coupon code, and the code is Melina, M-E-L-I-N-A. I will link that in the description box below. I think that puts this system at under $30. Like, it's a really, really good dupe for those more expensive facial cleanser systems like the Mia, which I have. And I really, really like this little system. So let me tell you guys a little bit about it. This is called the Radiant Spin Care System. It has two of these little facial brush heads. One is a gentle cleansing brush, and the other one is an exfoliating brush. There is a large exfoliating cleansing brush for your body. So I've been using that like on my legs and on my arms, and it's, you know, anywhere you need to use it for. Then it has a Puma Stone attachment for your feet, or, you know, rough skin on your elbows or whatever you got rough skin on. It's going to help with that. It is water resistant, so you can take it in the shower. You don't have to worry about it getting ruined when it gets wet. And it operates on batteries. So I really have been loving this little system. Of course, I've been using the exfoliating brush, which is this here. You can see that it's a little more rough. And then it has the softer brush, which I never use these. I feel like if my skin ain't being ripped off, then it ain't being clean. And then I've also been using the huge body brush. So I've been using this on my legs and you know, everywhere else that I can use it on. Use this today, I think, with a more exfoliating cleanser. So with my Clear Seal Stubborn Acne 5-hour blah blah blah, whatever it is. I love this stuff. It's like a green, almost like a clay, if you guys can see that. I usually use to clean my skin is the Daily Cleansing Foam by Murad. I really like this product. A little goes a long way. This stuff foams up. It's really, really easy to use. Like I said, we're using her today. I feel like my skin, I have a few little breakouts from wearing this mask and stuff at work all the time. Get the head wet and just put a little bit of this. As you can see, it's sort of like a green clay all over my face. And just go ahead and massage that in. And you can see the brush works there. And I know a lot of people always ask me about exfoliating and that kind of thing. I feel like if you have tougher skin, like you're used to exfoliating and that kind of thing, I would probably do it every other day or maybe just 2 or 3 days a week. I would not recommend doing it on your skin every day. Now, if you have skin, oh shit, my hair. If you have skin that isn't used to exfoliating, that's a little more sensitive, I would probably only do it once a week, just because you don't want to, you know, over exfoliate. It's basically just sort of removing that first layer of skin, dead skin cells and dry skin and all that dirt and oil off the top of the surface of your skin. And it can be a little harsh, so you got to be careful, you know, not to get, you know, over exuberant about it, or you're gonna rip all your skin off and you ain't gonna have no skin left. Go ahead and take my wipe again. I have a thing of hot water here in front of me. I'm just gonna go ahead and wash this off. But yeah, I mean, what else can we talk about besides, you know, everything else that's going on in the news? It's just been stressful for everybody. Everybody's having a hard time. Everybody's got something going on. I feel so disconnected from everybody. It's just really a weird time, I think, for everybody. So I think that makes me feel a little better that I'm not the only one that feels that way. And it's sort of been hard and weird to sort of get on here and talk about makeup and things that, I don't know, those things are important to me usually, but there's so many other things that are going on that are so much more important. And I don't know, it's just a weird time for everybody, and I know for me too. So I'm gonna go ahead and tone my face real quick. I'm gonna use that Yes Say Yes to Tomatoes toner. Just go ahead and tone. So yeah, I was just earlier, I was off today. I had, you know, some stuff to get done on my vehicle, which, oh my God, that's another thing in itself. My truck has literally been in and out of the shop for a good part of the year. Probably this entire year, I've only had my truck for maybe 3 or 4 months, even altogether. I got in a car accident at the beginning of the year. The truck was in the shop for a while for that. Just got it back last week, and it was in the shop for like 5 weeks. The head gasket blew, the radiator was jacked up, the heater is jacked, like everything is going wrong at the same time. I've never had any issues with it. So I guess she decided, you know, that it was time, on top of everything else that's going on, to just ruin my damn life and break down. So I've been, you know, catching rides from my husband, from my daughter. It's been a nightmare. I literally am so happy to have my truck back, but I don't trust her ass as far as I can spit, because I feel like, you know, what's next? I've been sucked into the drama that is Tati Westbrook, Sean Dawson, Shane Dawson. What's his name? Shane Dawson. Jeffree Star, of course, is always in every damn thing. I've just been watching this shit show that is what they call the beauty community. I don't feel like they're the beauty community. I probably thousands of other channels like ours that are small. You know, we're not involved in any of that. I mean, we're not making enough money to be involved in any of that. Even if we wanted to, like, we ain't making that kind of money. So we're busy working our jobs and worrying about all that other stuff. My gosh, it is a hot god dang mess. There's always something going on with these same few people. Am I wrong? Like, do you guys watch any of the drama? If you guys do, comment below and let me know, you know, what you guys think about the drama. Do you guys watch any of these people? I know I obviously am a little older and I'm at work, so the younger girls and stuff that I work with know, because they're on YouTube, they know everybody I'm talking about. The older people that don't watch YouTube are like, who the hell are you talking about? Like, are they a celebrity? Like, are they on TV? They have no idea what is going on. It's just weird that there's such a huge disconnect between people that watch YouTube and then people in real life, I guess, if that makes any sense. I hate to say, but it's like a little bit of a distraction from like everything else that's going on. But anyway, so I'm going to go in now with my Aveeno Daily Moisturizer. At night, I lather this shit on. Like, my face is so full. I put like, you know, a good amount of pumps on there so I can get it all on my face. So she is nice and moisturized. I also make sure to get it on my neck. I feel like this video is a little bit everywhere, a little bit all over the place. But I think most of my chatty videos are a little all over the place. What else has been going on? I've been working out since the 1st of June. Now we're at the end of June. I've went 26 days straight, y'all. Working out, not missing one single day. And then, of course, you know, some drama popped off and I was not feeling it. So I took 2 days off, but I'm back on it. So I'm so proud. I don't think I've ever worked out 26 days in a row without missing a day. Like, there were nights where I did not want to be out there, but I did it anyway. Out in our garage, it's hella hot. It's the summertime. We usually go out there at about 8:15-ish or so. As soon as the sun goes down, we're out there in the garage. So I've been coming home from work with my old ass, taking a little bit of a nap, like an hour nap, 45-minute nap, eating something, and then going out and working out. And it seems to be working. I'm not gonna lie, you know, I've been vegan for over a year now, and you can still be vegan and eat vegan junk food. So I was putting weight back on from the initial weight that I lost from when I went vegan. Just eating, you know, vegan hamburger patties, just vegan shit, like not good stuff. Gone back since the 1st and have been eating really healthy, and I can feel it in my body how much better I feel. And then the working out obviously is helping as well. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep on keeping on, and my husband and my daughter have been working out as well. We all go out there every night and just get it in. I mean, that's it. I mean, I don't know what else to tell y'all. I feel like I've been talking like a mile a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair up in. I use the Ion Silk Drops. I just put a little bit of this in my hair at night because my hair is always dry, especially in this heat. So I always make sure to put a little bit of oil. You can see how shaggy, oh gosh, it's so shaggy. I just need a cut, a trim, a shape. I need something. As soon as I'm able to, I'm gonna go ahead and try to get an appointment, beg my bestie to do something with my hair. I don't know, something needs to go on. But anyway, I just put a little bit of that in my hair and rub the rest on my arms because it smells really good and it's good for your skin. And I'm gonna go ahead and use my silk wrap and wrap up my hair. Okay, y'all, nothing fancy, just up in the pineapple so that it's, you know, contained, and also the silk scarf helps with the dryness. And yeah, just keeps her up out of the way. But yeah, that's it. That is really only what I do. Hope that that wasn't too a little all over the place, chaotic. I feel like I'm gonna go back and edit this video and be like, what the was I talking about? I miss chatting with you guys, of course. Make sure to leave comments below. Let me know how y'all are doing. You know, if you guys have been working, what's been going on in your guys' lives. I love to chat with you guys. Also, make sure to check out the Radiant Skincare System. The coupon will be linked in the description box below, along with the link for the actual system itself. I absolutely love it. I've been using it for a few weeks now. Highly recommend it. So if you guys are wanting a new little system that's super affordable, I highly suggest doing that. Grabbing it, using that coupon. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you guys next time.